Hi, my name is Laith Musalam, and this is my individual project presentation. From the Python code that I used for the individual project, I decided to make a couple of visuals. As you can see, the code that I used here resulted in this visual graph. So from this first visual, what I wanted to do is I wanted to see the number of cars sold based on the sales training of an employee. Because I wanted to dig into if an employee was sales trained, did they sell more cars? And maybe that could show some significance to the importance of training in the workforce. And as you can see visually, it looks like there was a significance because the number of cars sold from an employee that was sales trained was around 600 cars versus an employee that wasn't trained was around 400 cars. So from this graph, visually we can see that there is a significance to training your employees and how important it could be to result in more output. The next graph I wanted to make using this code resulted in this visual representation of another bar chart. However, this time I wanted to see the number of cars sold based on the number of years of experience. Because I wanted to look into if you have more experience, does that guarantee that you sell more cars? Based on what we see visually here, we can see that the highest number of cars sold for a specific experience category was 3 years. So if you had 3 years of experience, you sold a little over 200 cars, which is really good. And the lowest was 1 year of experience. However, the highest years of experience, which was 5, was not the greatest number of cars sold. So from this we can see that just because you have more experience, that doesn't mean that necessarily you are a better salesperson. However, with the first year of experience being the lowest, it does show us that little experience is better than no experience. Because if you have no experience, it's very hard for you to be great at sales when you need some time to adjust. So these were the two graphs that I made based on my Python code, and that was the analysis that I interpreted visually from looking at them. Thank you.